right here. Determine the three forces shown have the same magnitude T. Determine the magnitude of the resultant. So, ang gawin lang natin, okay, this is the vectors. Punta ka sa mode 8, number 1, and then 1. Okay, let me define this as ito. Let me define this as vector A. So, ang vector A mo will just be ano ang distance niya along x, wala, 0. Along y, that is negative 4. So, pag ano, no? Along z, that is 0. Okay. Then, if I call this vector B there, then shift 5, 1, number 2, number 1, okay. So, along x, that would be negative 6. Okay, that's negative 6 doon. Okay, along y, that will be 0, and along c, that is also 0. And then this now will be vector c. Okay, that's vector c. Okay, shift 5, 1, 3, 1, along x. So, along x, getting along x, no? That is, rather, ito pala yung along x, that will be negative 6. Along y, that will be negative 4. And along z, that will be positive 5. Okay. So, ito yung mga direction numbers ng vector. And then, to get these, since lahat yan t, to get the resultant, we have shift 5, 3 divided by shift 5, 3. This is a unit vector of A plus shift 5, 4 divided by shift 5, 4. That will be a unit vector of P plus shift 5, 5 divided by shift 5, 5. This is gonna be the unit vector of C. Now look at how I type unit vector of A is vector A divided by absolute value of vector A plus vector B divided by absolute value of vector B plus vector C divided by absolute value of vector C, and lahat yan T. So, assuming it's all 1, then multiply lang natin by T. So, the answer is this one will be the vector that will be, okay, the resultant vector will be what? Negative 1.68, negative 1.45, and 0.7. And the resultant is just what? Shift 5, shift 5, 6. Okay, that's the resultant is 2. Magnitude of resultant is 2.2977 of T. Okay, or the answer is 2.3 T.